Digital and technology services are central to all our lives, not just students, whether that's health or shopping or finance or travel. We use digital increasingly every day. This has increased through the pandemic and is only going to be a bigger part of our lives. Our ambition at UAL is to provide the same level and quality of digital services as our students and staff experience in the rest of their lives.
I think that technology is ubiquitous in our everyday lives, so it's really important that we empower our students with the tools that they expect from us in terms of them making work, articulating their work, in ways in which we communicate with them, and that we do so in a manner that's really stable, that says this is what a UAL environment is, this is what a learning experience feels like, and these are the tools that you use. I think it's really important as well that those tools are not bespoke and special just to us. So students are practicing how they use these tools in a learning environment, and these are things that they will use when they go out into the world.
As a UAL student, some of the digital services we use was Slack, which allowed us to kind of discuss or engage with our lecturers and fellow students. Moodle allowed us to access our student work, reading materials, get prepared for classes in time. Blackboard and Collaborate allowed us to discuss while we even had lectures.
If I had to improve anything, it might be the digital communication at UAL with students. Maybe make it a bit more personal and relevant to each student's experience. I'd say that a better Wi-Fi connection would impact me in my work, as I do use the internet quite often and it can get quite unpredictable.
We've set ourselves a really ambitious target in our strategy of creative purpose, bringing learners who have not previously felt welcome in education is integral to this. With that defined purpose, we then define our learning around that. And technology is actually fundamental to that experience.
As a UAL student, I gained knowledge in what is necessary or what probably was lacking. And now as a UAL graduate working on the Graduate Showcase project, I've been able to gain skills I learned from UAL in user design to make the Graduate Showcase project even better for students to showcase their work.
We're going to change the way we work to deliver great services in 3 ways. First, we're moving from a very project-based model to a service-based model. Services that endure and improve over time, services that are connected to each other, and services that are based on real users and real needs by talking and listening to them. Second, we're going to work collaboratively in partnership with experts around the university and again with students and with users. And third, we'll work transparently. We'll work in the open. We'll publish our plans, we'll publish our ideas, we'll publish what we're going to do, and we'll also publish how well that went. We have some amazing physical spaces at UAL and plans for more, spaces that are open, accessible and creative. And that's where we're heading with our digital ambition, creating spaces and services that work, that enable and that empower our students and our staff.